Anyway, this is Sean again with another Stage of Media video. Yeah, so this is gonna be one of the first videos in the new garage, kind of making things happen. I want to put on the spacers. Remember, previous videos I had the 30 mil spacers that I never got a chance to really put on. I want to put the 30 mils in the back, take the 25, because right now the car is sitting 25 millimeter spacers in the rear, 20 in the front. So I'm gonna take the 25 out of the back and put the 30s in the back, the 30 millimeter spacers in the back, and put the 25s in the front. That's what we're doing today. Tell me that ain't a sight to see when you open up the garage. Let's get it, let's get it. See, already, I'm looking at the fitment. Yeah, it's kind of flush. I need them things to pop out, man. See, the 20 I think is fine, I guess. But that back gotta pop out, man. They gotta pop out. All right, y'all, so I done jacked the car up. I hope you guys can hear me, so I'm gonna try to talk pretty loud if you can. So I done jacked the car up. I have, this is the 30 mil right here. And again, that's the 25. I think for today's video, I'm just gonna put the back wheels on, the 30 mils instead of flopping them for right now, because I, quite frankly, I don't feel like doing it. But at least I'm gonna get the backs in, because again, like we said, the front wheels, as you can see, I mean, they're pretty pushed out. If I do the 25 in the front, that's just to really, for my own gratification of seeing how it'll look, to be honest with you. So, but for right now, for the purposes of the video, I am gonna switch out the 25 that's in there now for the 25 that I have in here now for the 30 mil that I have in my hand. So let's do that. All right, y'all. So I took the 25 off. That shit was super seized. Like, I had to really put some elbow into that one. That shit was crazy. So that's the game plan there. It came with this, and I mean, I guess it's supposed to be hub centric, but it's kind of like this little adapter piece, but it don't need to really be on. It's gonna be screwed in. Like, I mean, I guess this is supposed to be hub centric, but for what? Like, I don't know. I don't know why that needs to be there. I don't think it needs to be there. Maybe it does. I mean, screw it. We'll see. We'll see if I'll be able to put it on. So we're gonna get this going. Put these on. Oh, what am I doing? Wrong. All right, so those are gonna go in here. Let me know what y'all gonna think about it. I'm kind of running out on space on this, but what I want to do is at least show you guys at the end of everything how much poke out, and I'm really hoping that I don't need to bend the fenders out. You know what I mean? Like, I hope I don't have to adjust that. I hope the wheels are kind of concaved enough to not have to deal with moving those you know how it is when you gotta bend the fenders out or whatever. All right, so I'm gonna screw this back in. All right, y'all, we'll see how it looks. So finally put the 30 mil in on this side. Let me know what y'all think. Again, the front still has the 20 mil, which I'm kind of like still on the fence about changing the 20 mil to the 25 that I had in the back here. But I put the 30 mil on here. I mean, y'all let me know. It's definitely a lot more flush in a sense. Not really flush, there is poke out because this is the tire right here. I wish I had more light in here, which I gotta go buy some lights for the garage because I lost so much daylight outside, but it's actually a little more over. Like this is the tire right here. See, I'm trying to block out the light. This is the tire where my thumb is at right here. So it's a little more over on the flush side. Like it's not as flush as it was before, which is kind of the look that I want. I want that poke out. I want it to poke out more on the rear end. Kind of, to me, it just gives the impression of just a bigger ass on the car. You know what I'm saying? It gives that squatted kind of look. Some people don't like it. Some people love the shit to be dead flush with the fender. I personally, if I got a car like this, like I want some poke out. Like I'm already gonna go wide body with it, so I want it to poke out as much as it can, like that. You see it? There it is. That's the tire right here. It's the tire right there. A little cambered a little bit. I like it. The 30 mil, that extra 5 mil, I think made the difference. The tire was damn near inside the well, like, so that extra 5 mil definitely worked, I think. Definitely worked. Y'all guys let me know in the comments. And with that being said, that's gonna be it for that video. I put the rears on, the 30 mils on the back. I'm loving the squatted look. It got that nice, my brother called it the frog look. It kind of looks like a frog a little bit. So yeah, that's just taking me one step closer to where we gotta go. I'm still a little undecided on the front now that I'm looking at it because the front is pretty poked out. So an extra 5 mil in the front may work. It may work, may look good. We'll see. I'll probably do it tomorrow or probably this weekend and I'll make a video on it, you know, so that way you guys see the progression of it and see what I'm doing. But yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yo, keep subbing, keep subscribing. I'm sorry I was taking a little long. Remember the move. Still kind of trying to get acclimated with the area. I haven't been to any car meets in this area yet, so you know it remains to be seen when I get there. They do run a lot of you know, car shows, little meets like how they used to do back down in Miami. So you know, I gotta find some people that I can link with, and you know, she's gonna be the eye catcher, not really me. I know she is. You know, when you believe in your car, like, you know you're gonna get looks. So I'm just gonna keep going and keep making her better and better and better every day. But yeah, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. You know, even if it's hate, whatever. If you want to stop by and say something, I'm with that too. You know what I mean? Say what you feel. At least at the end of the day, you leave in interactions in the comments. So I'm cool with that. My build is not gonna be for everybody. It's not. It's really not. So I'm not too mad about when people say something or, oh, it's looking kind of crazy or whatever. I'm not, but for the most part, you know, I'm getting a lot of people, you know, giving me props for the car. You know what I mean? It's like they see the direction it's going, and I appreciate those people that really leaves comments and likes and, you know, subscribes, you know, all that good stuff. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, love everybody. Be kind to people. You know what I mean? It don't make no sense being angry at the world for nothing. Like, we going through too much shit to be just angry. So just love everybody. Be kind. You know, stay driven. One.